Here are the top 12 amazing lemongrass proven health benefits and uses you can't miss. Number 12. Mosquito repellent. Number 11. Anti-diabetic effects. Number 10. Cardiovascular health. Number 9. Antioxidant activity. Number 8. Pain relief. Number 7. Antimicrobial properties. Number 6. Anti-cancer effects. Number 5. Digestive health. Number 4. Skin health. Number 3. Stress relief. Number 2. Immune boosting. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. For more detailed explanation of this video, click on the link below. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.